Most people think Kegels are easy. Squeeze, release, done. But listen carefully. If you only do squeezing, you are missing 80% of the results. That's why many people still have weak core, poor bladder control, and bad posture. Today I'll show you 8 simple pelvic exercises most people never train. If you skip this, your body stays weak from the inside. Important rule: move slow, breathe, never squeeze too hard. Gentle control is the key. Exercise 1, pelvic bridge. Lie on your back. Knees bent, feet on floor. Flatten your lower back. Now lift hips slowly. Squeeze pelvic muscles lightly. Hold 3 seconds. Lower slowly. This makes pelvic, hips, and core strong. Exercise 2, squat Kegel. Stand straight. Feet shoulder width. Go down into squat. Relax pelvic muscles. When you stand up, light squeeze. This teaches control during daily movement. Exercise 3, butterfly squeeze. Sit on the floor. Feet together, knees open. Sit tall. Squeeze pelvic muscles for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds. This wakes up weak, deep muscles. Exercise 4, pike to cobra. Hands on floor. Hips high. Lower chest forward. Relax pelvic muscles. Push back up. Light squeeze at top. This connects pelvic, abs, and spine. Exercise 5, slow mountain climber. Plank position. Bring one knee forward. Slow and controlled. Each knee move. Light squeeze. Slow is better than fast. Exercise 6, scissors. Lie on your back. Legs slightly up. Open and close legs. Keep core tight. Gentle squeeze all time. This builds lower abs and pelvic strength. Exercise 7, sumo squat. Feet wide. Toes out. Go deep squat. When standing, squeeze pelvic muscles and glutes. This helps lifting strength and balance. Exercise 8, spider plank. Plank position. Knee to same side elbow. Switch sides. Each move. Light squeeze. This is full body control. Your pelvic muscles are your foundation. If the foundation is weak, everything above suffers. Most people ignore this. They train abs, chest, arms, and they wonder why body feels unstable. Train smart, not hard. Do this 3 to 5 times a week, even daily if gentle. Strong body starts from the base. Comment which exercise felt hardest. Follow for simple workouts that really work.